Are you ready to build a reactive, real-time chat application quickly and in a straightforward way? Well, that's exactly what we're gonna do in this 3-part series of building an app using Svelte and Couchbase. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. And we're gonna start by opening up our terminal and creating our development environment. We do so by typing the following: npm create svelte at latest, and then name your project whatever you want to name it. Once you hit enter, you're gonna get a few options. You can choose ESLint and Prettier, things like that. Go ahead and do those things. And then you're going to change directories into your new project, whatever you named it. And you're going to install some various dependencies like Tailwind CSS for your styling, the Couchbase Node.js SDK for your data interactions, and Websocket support for the real-time chat interactions. You can follow along those steps by going to the tutorial that has everything you need detailed out following the link in this video. Stay tuned for part 2, where we talk about setting up Couchbase Capella, your database as a service fully managed, to help navigate your data interactions. See you there.